My name is Eric Odberg. I'm a fourth generation farmer here in Genesee, Idaho. We farm 2,200 acres, 22-inch rainfall zone. And my great-grandfather came here in the late 1800s and settled in this area, and feel very fortunate to be farming the same ground that he started that many years ago. Idaho grain producers, they kind of started me off on conservation farming. We've been variable rating since 2008, direct seeding for 16 years now, and it's just a very key part of our farming operation. Our major class of wheat that we do produce is soft white. It's used primarily for cakes and noodles, flatbread. So we're very aware of where our wheat is going and that we want to produce a high quality wheat. I'm Eric Odberg, and I am proud to be Idaho grain producer, and I can't think of a better job than farming the land out here.